Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use whimsical templates in 2026. Whether you're creating flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, or project plans, templates can help you get started much faster. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click *** new board ** or browse the available templates. Next, explore the template library and choose one that matches your project. Yeah, you'll find templates for brainstorming, product planning, user flows, meeting notes, and much more. Once you've selected a template, click **use template* to open it in your workspace. Now you can replace the sample content with your own text, shapes, images, and ideas. You can move, resize, or delete any element in the template to fit your workflow. Feel free to add new sections or customize the layout however you like. When you're finished, click the ** share * button to collaborate with your team or export your completed board as an image or PDF for presentations or documentation. And that's it. Now you know how to use whimsical templates to create professional projects faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.